Stan Gibilisco here, from somewhere far in the deep nether reaches of the universe, with a little comparison for you that I'd like to let you ponder as I have pondered it. And makes me kind of wonder. This is one of the things that makes me wonder, whether I just ought to say, screw it all, I'm bugging out. Well, here's the deal. I became curious as to how many stars there are in the observable universe. How many stars? Well, as things work out, there are a lot, as you might imagine, but exactly how many? Well, I found this very cool article on Universe Today that talks about how many stars are out there, how many stars are in the Milky Way. And the title of the article is, How Many Stars Are There in the Universe? All right. Well, it goes through a bunch of funky ads and a bunch of cool photographs and finally comes to the conclusion that there are approximately 10 to the 24th stars in the observable universe. That's a 1 followed by 24 zeros. A septillion stars. Well, that's a lot of stars, eh? Well, not compared to another number that I did a little bit of research on. I'd like to recommend this website, by the way, Universe Today. ESA marks 50 years of cooperative space innovation. That is the European Space Agency. Again, Universe Today, I will provide a link to that in the description of this video. Well, that's all well and good. Great. Wonderful. Cool. But I made a comparison. I decided to figure out how many digits I have to dial in order to get a hold of my voicemail messages when one of them pops up. You know, one of those robocalls from some stupid politician. Or maybe some smart politician. But not very smart, because if they were very smart, they wouldn't do this to people. First of all, I pick up my receiver and I hear that stutter tone. Means I got a message. So in order to access my voicemail, I have to dial 11 digits. 1, followed by a 3-digit area code, followed by a 3-digit prefix, followed by 4 more digits. That gives me the voicemail menu. To access your messages, press 1. That's 12 digits now in total so far. Then it says, please enter your mailbox number. That's an area code followed by a 7-digit number, which is, okay, that's an area code, that's 22 digits now in total so far. Then it says, please enter your passcode followed by the pound key. Well, I have a 7-digit passcode, and the pound key is another digit, counts as another digit. So that gives me now 8 more digits for a total of 29 so far. And then finally, to get your messages, press 1. So I hit 1. That's great. Sorry, 22 plus 8 is 30 and 1 is 31. So 31 digits I gotta hit in order to get my voicemail. Now there are 10 numerals in the decimal numeration system. That means that there could be up to 10 to the 31st different combinations of numbers I could dial in order to get a hold of my voicemail, but only one of them works. So it's like one star in a universe with 10 to the 31st stars, or a universe 10 million times bigger than our observable universe. For each and every star in the observable universe, that's 10 to the 24th approximately, there are 10 million different digits that I could dial in order to get my voicemail. But for all those stars and all those digits, only one of them works. Only one digit combination works. There could, in theory, be 10 million times as many stars in the universe as there are, and each and every one of those stars would be uniquely identified by one number in the voicemail roster of possible values. Now the question, after this comparison has been thoroughly made for you: has technology made our lives simpler? You tell me. Stan Gibilisco signing off from somewhere deep in the nether reaches of a dark and twisted mind. Until next time, God help us all, and so long.